Living off grid while I'm in the city during quarantine time. So what I've done, I take my sweet onion, and right in the middle of the sweet onion, I took it out and put it in some water, and the roots had grown. Just like right here, new plant, new growth, new onions, and there. Now it was in water like this. This is my cabbage. It's already showing new growth right here and there. So I will remove it. It also has root right here. And I learned from the Garden of Eden to use woodchucks or whatever. So I use the number 2 pencil right here. I put in the base some pieces of the pencil to be the base because it holds moisture to the soil. So I'm going to see how this works. And I started new growth, trying to start new onion down there and let it do what it does. So we're going to see what happens. This time we keep my things inside of the house so the squirrels and stuff won't get to it. All right. Use what you got till you get what you need is what I know. And learn from your mistakes. Turn the lemon into lemonade. This is what I'm doing while I'm in quarantine, growing my own food. Peace and love. You try it. Challenge you. And post your pictures and let me see what you're doing. All right. Subscribe, like, share, hit that bell. Get notification when I'm posting new videos on composting leftovers in my dirt.